So then what exactly happened? Well, the Lamborghini won, completing the standing quarter mile in 9.4 seconds. Meanwhile, the Kawasaki took 9.9 seconds. Because Chris's bike is struggling off the line, what we're going to do is roll on in first gear. When we reach the line, we're going to accelerate and see what happens. There we go. Where's the line? 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 Now. Come on, car. Oh, wow, look at that go past. That is just so insanely quick. That was brilliant. It is, is driving into the next county.